logging into the Elevate system to install software. So first go to elevate.unishanoi.org, click login with Google account. Use your school account to log in. Wait for it to load. Keep waiting. Wait a bit more. There'll be different tabs down the left side. And if they're closed, you want to go under Learn and Skills. And then there are some apps here. Yours may not look exactly the same because I'm a teacher and you're not. You're going to go to BYOD, for stands for Bring Your Own Device. That's your own computer. Core Apps, you click on this, and there's various things here. What you want to do now is install Vernier Logger Pro. You can also install Office, which you'll need at some point. You should install Math Type, unless you're a Mac OS Catalina, in case that's broken, but definitely install Vernier Logger Pro. You click on here, not here, right in the middle here anyways. And you wait, and you click this right here. It will bring up this page, an installation guide. Here you actually need to read and follow instructions. There are instructions for Windows, and there are instructions for Mac OS. You need to go to the appropriate page number. I have a Mac, so I'm going to go down here. So actually follow these instructions. You need to actually read the words. If you don't read the words, it's not going to work. You need to do this as it says.